Colombia has opened markets to international competition by signing various free trade agreements. This has generated great pressure on the dairy sector, which must be competitive in a globalized market. Although Colombia has been declared free of foot and mouth disease with vaccination, admissibility to international markets may be limited by other diseases such as brucellosis or tuberculosis. Therefore, Colombia must improve the quality of milk, increase delivery volumes by supplier, and achieve healthcare excellent zones. Milk production systems. Milk production is dispersed throughout the national territory. However, three dairy basins can be identified in the Andean zone, in the high tropics, that produce more than 17% of the milk coupled by the industry, and three basins in the low tropics that they produce 15% of the total milk. The rest in the other regions of the country. It is estimated that cows in Colombia produce only 5 liters per day, and that the average number of cows per producer is between 10 and 16. Specialized dairying takes place mainly in the high tropics, where the climates are colder and the quality of the pastures is better. The predominant forage species is kikuyu grass, and the predominant breeds of cows in these production systems are Holstein, followed by Jersey, Brunswicks, and Normand. The average milk production in this production is between 12 or 14 liters per day. In the challenge, we have production cost. It is suggested that the cost of the producing milk in Colombia will be very close to the world average. The challenge of the Colombian dairy sectors is to increase productivity at a reasonable cost and achieve a great number of highly productive producers with low cost. Milk quality aspects such as a milk solids, microbiological quality, and somatic cells count are considered, although the concentrations are well below the standard. It is estimated that in a few years this will be achieved since the parameters are increasing volumes of milk. The industry delivery average are very low since the costs associated with collecting milk are very high admissibility. Disease such as brucellosis have not been controlled in the country, despite vaccination, and tuberculosis prevalence is still uncertain. Access of our products to many markets in the future will probably be limiting conditions. In opportunities, we have productivity and quality can be improved and cost reduced by modifying actions such as the age of the harvest in the invoices changes in the management of electric crop, as well as genetic improvement strategies to increase the concentration of solids in milk volume. The association between small milk producers has been promoted, which has made it possible to increase the volumes delivery to the industry. And admissibility. Vaccination against foot and mouth disease has been successful in achieving free country status. Vaccination can be used for brucellosis, and for tuberculosis they must seek newer strategies to compensate for the economic losses involved once the animals are diagnosed.